Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 8 of the March series, Crochet Life Hacks. So these are all ideas that you can crochet that will help your life or someone else's life become a little bit easier, smoother, and maybe just a little more enjoyable. And there's nothing wrong with that, especially if you can crochet your way there. So these are called pocket pillows. That is the idea for today. They're called pocket pillows, and they're basically pillows, but they have a pocket on them, so you can put a number of different things in those pockets. So let's go ahead and take a peek at some of these pictures. I'm gonna open it up and see if I can get more pictures for you. So basically, this is from Annie's Craft Store, which has thousands and thousands of patterns. Now, generally, they are paid patterns. I don't know if they have any free ones. It is a store. But this one is available for download at $5.50. All right. Sorry, I'm doing some screen grabs here and I've got some ads popping up at me. So this looks like a pretty simple pattern. It doesn't look terribly difficult. They are textured stitches, so that is a little more complicated than the typical pattern, but not too hard really. I am going to go ahead and just take a picture of the screen for you so that I can add it in. But in this picture, I see one of the pillows has like a Kindle, or an e-reader, however I think there's the Nook, there's the Kindle. Another one has some books in it, and I see another one, the pair of glasses is sticking out for those of us who cannot see without our glasses. So these are really cute. I like this idea a lot. I could definitely see this getting a lot of use at my house. Sorry, every once in a while, one of my hair sticks to my nose. So silly. Okay, so the pocket pillows crochet pattern. Let me know what you think of this. It's a fun and unique way to give a gift as well. If you wanted to give someone a magazine subscription or something like that, you just tuck it in the pillow and then you've got, 2 gifts for the price of 1. All right, everybody, I would love to hear what you think of this, and if you're interested in making this or any of the other project ideas that I have, feel free to click the link in the description box below. It's going to zoom you right to my Pinterest page, and then you can click on the picture you like and zoom right to the pattern. Easy peasy. Couldn't be easier. All right, everybody, until tomorrow's great idea, have a great day and keep on hooking. Bye-bye.